Why make a boring roasted veggie bowl when you can make a sheet pan smashed bean Cajun roasted veggie bowl with a creamy chipotle-lime dressing? I smashed the beans with a bowl and there is more surface area to bake and get crispy. You can also bake these beans separately so that they bake up super crispy, and then they'll be like croutons in the bowl, super crispy and super delicious. There is so much flavor and texture. There are the roasted vegetables, there are the crispy beans, and there's this creamy and spicy sauce. Everything just goes so well together. So let's make this amazing meal. I didn't want to use the white beans all by themselves, so we're gonna smash them a little bit. Just spread them a little bit on the baking sheet. So I'm gonna use a bowl. Any flat bowl will work. Okay, that's that. I'm gonna add the rest of our ingredients. That's our peppers and onions, some zucchini, some mushrooms, and corn. Oil, and some salt. Don't forget the garlic. Then all of our spices. Squeeze a little bit of lime as well to get some flavor going. There's a little bit of the lime. Now we just have to mix everything. It already smells so good. Spread it out in an even layer and not too thick so that all of the veggies can get some crisp going. The beans can get some crisp going. And we're gonna bake this. We're gonna make this absolutely delicious chipotle cream sauce with some non-dairy yogurt, some chipotle peppers, some nutritional yeast, maple syrup, some salt, a clove of garlic or some garlic powder, and lime juice, a little bit of water, and we're gonna blend it. And that's our gorgeous looking dressing. And we're gonna make a bowl out of this. You can also make wraps or tacos or whatever else you want to make. You're gonna add all of those delicious veggies and beans. It is just amazingly delicious. There's those grilled vegetables with a ton of spices. There are those crispy beans. It's just fantastic. We're gonna just crisp up a tortilla and add that to the bowl as well. Getting all nice and brown and puffy. Oh my gosh, it is insanely good. We're gonna also put it in some wraps. The more the merrier, because this dressing, you will want to drink it. I mean, look at that gorgeousness. And you can serve it as a bowl, as wraps, as a burrito, as taquitos, as tacos. There's protein from the white beans, nutritional yeast. You can add even more protein by using a high protein non-dairy yogurt or blending in some hemp seeds into the sauce, as well as using some hemp seeds as garnish. You can also use other beans like black beans, pinto beans, or kidney beans. If you use chickpeas, don't smash them and add them to the veggies just like that. You can also use some lentils. You can use whichever veggies you have on hand. You can use whichever spices you want to use. This is a super versatile and flexible recipe, so do try it and do let me know in the comments how you made it and how you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy vegan recipes, Indian vegan recipes, and so much more. And that's a wrap. See you in the next video.